Hi friends, it's Claire from scrappynerduk and I'm excited to bring this video to you. It's two parts. It's an unboxing or review video and also the announcement for my next series, which starts in January 2019, which when this video goes up will be January 2019 will be starting tomorrow. So Freckled Fawn reached out to me and wanted to send me some products to do a review unboxing with you, and to let you know this is where my new series is going to start. So first of all, they sent me a new traveller's notebook, so if you can get the hint as to what my next series is going to be. And this is gorgeous. This is white with black hearts on the outside. It has two pockets and then 4 strings. So I don't want to give the game away too quickly because it's not necessarily what you think in terms of a traveller's notebook. So I'll show you the bits that they've also sent to me. So I do a monthly subscription kit where it's just embellishments that you get. So if you're like me and you got hordes of paper, then you can just sign up to an embellishment kit. So one of the embellishment kits that I've got sent were these tiled alphas, black with white font, these alphabet stickers. These enamel stickers, so these are enamel dots in hearts, circles and stars. And these labels, so these all coordinate, the colours coordinate between all of this. So we've got some arrows, some normal label stickers, some bigger ones, and then also I think there's 2 sheets of washi in here. I'll just open this up. You get 2 sheets. Yeah, there's 2 sheets of washi stickers in here as well. These are so cute, these washi strips. And again, if you're anything like me, if you've seen my previous series on how much washi I have, having a smaller amount but multiple different designs is perfect. So that is what they have sent me. I also loved these puffy words and the foam words from Freckled Fawn as well. So if you haven't seen these are the cutest in the world. So these ones are the puffy ones and these are the foam ones. So that is what I've been sent. Now the exciting part is it is a traveller's notebook series, but the traveller's notebook is this. So rather than it being paper based, this is a plastic traveller's notebook. So I know that when I work in a traveller's notebook, my concern is always things getting damaged inside and having things that might just fall off and you'll end up losing. This is the alternative. So there are 10, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 inserts or 10 plastic sleeves, so it will give you 20 layouts in this one book. And I have been looking for something like this for a while. And you can mix and match this with your normal traveller's notebook. You can have sort of half in, a traveller's notebook in the middle. Now I'm going to actually, these don't come with covers, but I am going to put a cover on myself on this. And then that is going to be going straight into my traveller's notebook. Now, the exciting part as well is the Freckled Fawn also sell these, which fit straight into these inserts. How cute are these? So these are pre-cut ready, and this is the previous one, so you get 2 of each. So you get 1, you can then get to use each side. I'll just show you the ones from this current kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 of them, but you get 1 of each design, if that makes sense. So you can use, if you like this one for instance, you can use 2 of that, or you can flip it over and use that. So you've got quite a few possibilities. So this is going to be my new series, working in a traveller's notebook, but it's going to be this plastic style traveller's notebook. In addition to this as well, Freckled Fawn have given an amazing giveaway on this video. So they are giving a $50 gift card to the store. So in order to be eligible to win the $50 gift card, you must be a subscriber to my... In order to win the $50 gift card, you must be a subscriber to my channel. You must like this video. And you must pop on over to the Freckled Fawn website, which I'll leave a link in the comment down below. Go and have a look over there, and then I want you to pop back on this video and leave a comment about which your favourite embellishment is. So whether it's the puffy stickers, whether it's the washi. So pop on over, have a look, and then come back, leave a comment on the video, and that will automatically give you entry into win the $50 gift card. The winner will be announced at the middle of the way through the series, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, so I'm so excited to get this started, and I hope that the this series on Traveller's Notebooks, albeit slightly different, is interesting to you. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you back here in a few days. Bye.